Hi guys, I'm going to talk about the measures of central tendency for group data. Let's begin. This will be our exercise. This data correspond to scored goals by the Mexican goalie champion since 1943 until 2010. We need to find the mean, median, and mode from the scored goals given in the next table. To work out on this exercise, we'll need to find K, which is the categories on where the information is divided, and its equation is K equals the square root of n, in which n is the number of data, in this case 100, and it will give us 10. The table will look like this. To get to know our first category, we'll use this equation. Inferior limit equals the lowest data minus the minimum decimal unit, which is in this case is 1 because it doesn't have a decimal, and this divided by 2. So the equation will give us answer 9.5, which will be placed at the table. Now to determine the superior limit from the first category, we'll use this equation. Superior limit equals the inferior limit plus a, on which a is the width that we're going to take it dividing the rank from the categories. And the rank comes from the subtraction of the higher data and the lowest one. 40 minus 10 equals 30. So it will say like this: a equals 30 divided by 10 equals 3. And we get back to the previous equation to determine the superior limit of the first data. 9.5 plus 3 equals 12.5. As we see, the next category, we will be adding to the inferior limit the previous data from the superior limit from the first category, and the superior limit of this category will be taken by adding the width to this data, making these two steps to every category. Finishing the sections, we'll continue to the data for the category mark, which equation is inferior limit plus superior limit divided by 2. On our first category will be 9.5 plus 12.5 divided by 2 equals 11. For the second one, 12.5 plus 15.5 divided by 2 equals 14. And in our third category, 15.5 plus 28.5 divided by 2 equals 17. And we'll keep going until we get it like this. To find the data for the absolute frequency, we'll take the inferior and superior limit as ranked to find the amount of numbers in our original data for those digits. For example, in the first category, it says inferior limit equals 9.5 and superior limit 12.5. To find the absolute frequency, we'll take the number of data between those digits, being in this case 10, 11, and 12, giving us 15 times of repetition comparing with the table.
Created using Powtoon.